So today we've got a Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage box. Yeah, so this is just another one of the many boxes that we have at this point. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing opened up and let's get started. Cool, so I'm just going to cut along the edge here, get that opened up. Side. Got the usual outside box, put that off to the side. The player guide. As always, we want to look for the golds, the rainbow hollows, and any of the full arts. Cool. Put that off to the side. Take the insert out. I'm just going to put that down here. All right, Pokemon Trading Card Rules book. Those are our actual packs. We've got our dice, sleeves, which we have a bunch of these sleeves now. This would be the code card. Hey, the code card's got a white back on it. Nice. These are our energies, dividers for the box, and a couple of coins. Cool, get that out of the way. Yes, I need a pair of scissors. I will be right back. Cool. All right, I've got some scissors now. We've got 8 packs to open. Let's get started on the first one. Got a white code card, which means there should be something good in this box, or this pack, I should say. Cool. Now cutting to 4, flipping it over, and we've got Leaf Energy. We've got a Krokorok, Aromatic Energy, Galvantula, Dribble, a Whalmer, a Cottony, Clobopus, Electrike. We've got a Zamazenta Hollow, and we've got a full art Zarude V. So, not too bad. Put that over there. Let's get our next set opened. A green this time, nothing too special here most likely. Or flip that over. All right, and we've got a Energy, Winden Stadium, Zebstrika, Excadrill, Talo, Sandeel, a Oshawott, Pineco, Clefairy, Aromatic Energy, and Samurott. Cool. Looking at the next one, what do we have here? Oh, just a green energy again, or a green card again. 4. Energy, a Swoobat, Magcargo, League Staff Trainer, Beldum, McClary, Milcery, Wooper, Nincada, Whismur, a Wash Energy, and a Whimsicott. Cool. Let's do the next one. All right. Just another green. We are not getting a lot of greens this time around. Cool. Fire Energy, Electric, Kakuna, Loudred, Seedot, Pick-a-Peck, Mudray, Joltik, Weedle, Garbodor, Garbodor, reverse holo, and then a Galarian Berserker. All right, moving on to the next one. We have, get that out of the way a little bit. Another green. Ugh. This is a terrible box. 2, 3, 4. Energy, Wash Energy, a Circhester Bath, a Mitbon Top, Ulcery, Meowth, a Chimecho, Blitzel, a Slugma, a Reverse Holo Lugia, and a Quagsire. Good. Again, nothing too special with those. Moving on to the next pack. What do we have here? Ah, finally a white code card. Should have something good in it, hopefully. 2, 3, 4. All right, our Energy, Gogoat, Careless, Trainer, Stone Energy, Skiddo, Shuppet, a Ferroseed, a Joltik, a Sandeel, a Reverse Holo Trubbic, and a Holo Shaman. Nothing too great, but at least we got a holo this time. That push down, okay. Next, we have, hey, another white code card. Hooray for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, a Cramorant, a Nessa, a Nuzleaf, a Sandeel, Oshawott, a Pineco, a Clefairy, Dynamo, a Reverse Holo Seedot, and whoa! We've got a Rainbow Togekiss VMAX. That's pretty cool. That's a good one. Let's take a quick look at the book here. Where is this guy? Yep, right there, that one. Pretty cool. All right, moving on to the very last pack in this box. I don't know if we'll get as good a one as the rainbow, but we'll see. Just green this time. Boo. All right. 2, 3, 4. Flip it over. Energy. Pinchurin. Telescopic Sight. Ferret Horn. A Whalmer. Tinamo. Execute. Cheshot. Clobopus, a Reverse Holo Delmish, and a Charizard. Just a regular Charizard, but hey, not too bad. All right, so I think the really good pulls on this one are just the Rainbow, this Full Art Zarude, and then our Shaman. That's about it. All right, well, thanks everyone for tuning in again. Yeah, we'll have some more unboxing soon. Take care.